Mac. You crazy, crazy doggy. So yeah, so this is our aftermath of the storm last night and this morning. This is the backyard. Pretty crazy. And there's the crazy dog. Just loves to play each other off.